Hey guys, hope you're doing well and great. Alright, in this content for today, I want to talk to you about the most effective and channel for your food business or your restaurant marketing. Alright, so there's a lot of channels, there's a lot of way to do it, but you got to understand that what is the most effective way to run your business promotion or start your campaign, right? That's what we want to talk about it. And well, if you actually go with agency or some sorts of company, a media company that does provide this service, you probably may have to spend a lot of money because they have the knowledge, they have the skill set and all those things. But then, is it something that you have to go through and learn a lot? Not necessarily. You just have to have the resource to make sure that it is effective and you understand by your own experience. Now you have to start from scratch. Probably you may take at least 6 months or 1 year to analyze all those data and to understand how in future you will be able to make more returns on all your investment which is in your marketing. So now the question is that there's a lot of platforms out there, right? So for example, you want to start your business, you want to create a campaign, right? So the only reason why you want to do that because you want to drive sales in your business, right? That's the main focus. Now one of the things is that there are restaurants who use this marketing platforms, right? But is it effective? Sometimes you'll be wondering like, all right, I spent 5,000, 10,000, it doesn't impact that much. The reason is because you're not using the right tool or the right systems or the right platforms or the right channel basically. So in this content, what I want to share with you is that analyze yourself. Do you use the right platform, the right tool or the right resource to get impact on your marketing campaign? So number one that I want to share with you in this point is, are you using the billboard sign, the hoardings and all those things? So are you using those signs, right, for your food business, for your restaurant? The second thing is that, are you using social media platform, right? And like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all those things, Facebook, right? The third thing is that, are you using some sort of the SEO platform at all, right? On your website and on all your channels as well to optimize it. And number four is email marketing, right? Are you using email marketing to promote your products, to invite your existing customer, or to build a new clients? Number five, sorry, is that, are you building your brand, right? So when you are trying to run your campaign, are you focusing towards more of the selling part or building the brand part as well, right? There's a lot of things that you have to understand. So one at a time, you got to focus on your campaign. You have to have an objective on your main mission, right? So the next one is, are you using PR, right? Or PR basically means, are you using some sorts of influencer, right? And the second thing is, are you using news media channels, newspaper, magazines, all those things, right? TV, radio, all those things. And then the last one is, are you using referrals to, boost your sales or to boost your brand, right? To expand your reach, right? So there's a lot of way you can structure. I can give you like hundreds of lists. Actually, there's 100 of lists available in the market to run your campaign. But see, there's the things that people will come up to you and say, hey, I can do this, I can do that. Of course, they can do it, but you've got to understand that which industry are they coming from. That's very, very important key that you have to understand. If you do not understand the key experience, basically, that whoever is the advertiser or whoever the is agency for you guys, if you are not using their experience based on the restaurant and food industry, probably you're gonna be investing in a wrong agency who does not have the background or have experience, knowledge, and all those things. See, I've been in this food business for almost 20 years, right? So I know it. I have opened more than like 60 stores, right? Did a lot of marketing. So we messed up a lot initially, right? But what we had learned is, are we using our experience to interact with the customers on behalf of our clients, right? That's what we look for. Now, earlier what we did was we did direct mails as well, right? Which I didn't mention, but now I'm mentioning it to you. So direct mail, say, or back in the days, people used to have this postcard sent to your mailbox. That was effective until people do not have this smartphone in their hand. Now, as we all have the smartphone in our hand, do you think that people still go to their post box and look at for the your menu or your marketing posters? Probably not. I've been sent at least 20 to 30 a week. Do I look into? None. If I like it, I do browse around on the social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all those things. So you got to understand where your clients and customers are, right? Your clients and customers are interacting with you through social media platform because the device, the phone, is with them all the time. So that's the shortest way, the quickest way, and the easiest way for the client, for the customer to interact with you. So if you're trying to do billboard or like a big sign, you probably maybe not getting the right results because those are expensive, 3 to 4,000 a week, a month. Probably, I do not know, but are those campaign driving customers to you? Probably, maybe yes or no. See, the easiest way is, I can elaborate this, right? So I just wanted to get into the point. The first thing is you have to understand where your customers are. How do people search for food or things like that, right? So you got to understand that. So the first thing is that people have this smartphone. They have all this contents available ready for them to interact with them. So the only thing that you have to focus on is digital marketing for now, right? If you want to promote your store, if you want to promote your brand products, or if you want to launch a new business, understand where your client's audience are, right? Everybody use this platform now, which is the social media. You gotta be in there. So if you're doing the direct marketing, email marketing, or say billboard marketing, right, and SEO marketing, everything is good. So there's two things that you have to focus on it. First, understand where your audience is and what you want to promote it, right? Based on what you want to do, use that resource. Now, if you're going to be, there's a lot of resources going to be available for you, but right now you want to be very cost effective to make sure that you are getting at least 500, 1,000% on your investment. So basically how it's going to work is that you got to understand where your audience is and what you want to promote it. And you have to also understand what is the key, the right platform for you to market your or interact with your audience. So the first thing is that do your analysis, right? Look at it. Like in the previous video, I have mentioned that people use more views like interactions with the short videos, right? If it's a 30 seconds or 60 seconds, people interact more than a picture, which is a still photo, right? So you want to create some sort of a media platform that you want to introduce your product or launch a product, talk about your brand, but in format of a video, and then upload those contents every now and then. If you want to use an agency, look for it that agency who has experience in this field, not people who just know everything about it. But also be careful that you got to understand what is your budget. Do not over budget your marketing expenditure as well. So your marketing expenditures initially should be about 30%, then go back to 25, 20, and stay somewhere between like a 10% of your total revenue that you get it. And one of the other way, once you create this campaign, you think that people are interacting with you, right? Then create a platform which is called customer loyalty program. When you have this customer loyalty program, you already are running your SEO, but what's the good thing is that you have the customer database for the loyalty program, right? In those cases, use your email marketing campaign to promote your product, discounts, offers, and all those things. Drive more. With that, you will be able to drive new customers and also be able to provide more content, so basically more info to your existing customer. So that's what you have to really understand. There's a lot of platform at the end, right? There's a lot of resource at the end, but you have to make sure as a business owner, do you really understand who you want to serve, what kind of a cuisine that you have, and what is your marketing budget? You got to understand these three factors. That's the only way you will get your investment return on your marketing campaign. So the first thing at the end, remember this: do your basic analysis, try to be more expertise on social media, right? And then second thing is that use that platform as your main interactions. You don't have to necessarily use TikTok alone, YouTube alone, but if you think that your kind of a food or cuisine or price is matching with Facebook, just go ahead with Facebook. If it's matching with Instagram, just go with Instagram, right? So use one platform, be expert on that one, right? And once you create those kind of a channel, the main platform for you guys to interact with your clients, the next thing is that create the loyalty program and drive as much as new customer and also interact with your existing customer through email marketing. So that's the best way. All right, so guys, I hope you learned something from this content. If you have questions, if you want to share your suggestions, please feel free to comment, share your feedback and all those things. And if you have questions, do not hesitate. I'm here to help you out as much as I can, give you a free knowledge. At the same time, if you have a restaurant, if you want to start a new restaurant, and if you have no idea about how to go about it, and if you don't have the high budget, feel free to contact me. I will help you out. If there is a fees applied, I will let you know, right? If it's not, then I will do my best to help you out so that you can grow your business and be stress-free from, engaging your clients in this, because digital marketing basically, because it's going to be overwhelming and it's going to be very stressful if you try to operate everything. So delegate this to somebody else, or you can delegate to me or to us. We will help you out as much as we can, because I'm doing this kind of a content to make sure that you understand, do not fall into the same path where I have been, right? So to leverage this, I'm trying my best to help you out as much as I can, sharing you this kind of a free information. But if you are really, really aggressive, want to get into the business as much as you can, contact me, or contact somebody else who will be able to consult you and direct you in the right way towards your success. All right, guys, until the next video, you guys have a good day. Cheers.